Many classic cars were missing basics like power steering and AC, running unreliable V-belt systems. Even older cars like Fox body Mustangs have clunky, heavy accessory drives that need upgrading. Upgrade your classic Ford with Holley's Accessory Drive, blending vintage style with high performance. Holley's Accessory Drive boosts performance, reliability, and simplicity for your vintage Ford. It also ditches those noisy V-belts for a sleek serpentine system. No more adjustments needed, it tensions automatically. Plus, the precision brackets keep everything aligned, reducing vibration and wear on your accessories. The coolant inlet is totally flexible. You can plumb it from either side, left or right, whichever fits your build best. Plus, it's got a built-in mount for a mechanical fuel pump. It comes blocked from the factory with a thin cast wall that's easily removed. More convenience features include 2 options for a heater return line connection to the timing cover, giving you flexibility in your plumbing setup. It's got a built-in dipstick provision too, and if you don't need it, a plug is included to seal the hole. But that's not all. Holley's Accessory Drive upgrades your AC with a modern compressor compatible with the latest refrigerants and aftermarket systems. Staying cool on the go just got a whole lot easier. And your power steering system also gets a major upgrade. The Accessory Drive includes a modern design power steering pump that's more reliable, capable, and compact. And say goodbye to cooling headaches. The cartridge-style water pump upgrade ensures your engine stays cool even in extreme conditions. And when maintenance time rolls around, it's easy to swap out. Holley's new timing cover features integrated accessory mounting points, eliminating the need for additional brackets and simplifying the installation process. And with our high-output 150 amp alternator, you'll have more reliable power for modern accessories from EFI to electric fans and more. Our tight tuck accessory design frees up space for turbo or supercharger upgrades and eases engine swaps. Plus, the OE pulley ratios optimize performance and durability. Add our billet covers for the tensioner, alternator, and compressor pulleys and make your engine bay look as sharp as it performs. Holley's Accessory Drive fits all small block Ford engines, including 289, 302, 351 Windsor engines from 1963 through 2002. From vintage to modern, Holley's Accessory Drive provides style, performance, and reliability in one solution. For the latest performance products and expert advice, visit us at holley.com.